All right, look at this. These are still here. This is one of the elevators at the Statue of Liberty. It's got the custom call station. I love that. And we're gonna ride it. Sadly, the big hydraulic elevator is gone. I'm wondering if this elevator is going to stay. Hopefully. Here's Zach. Go down to L. I love this button. GAL vandal resistant. There's a fun fact about this. There used to be a really tall hydraulic elevator here. It's gone. That'll be it.
Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.